Perfectionism, the silent killer of productivity. Masquerading glorified procrastination as perfectionism is killing your progress in productivity. Statistically, when you start any endeavor, you are horrific, you're bad, you don't understand what you're doing, and you're not making much progress. Even if you manage to enter with the perfect knowledge of certain aspects and stuff like that, without the experience of entering and starting a position or endeavor, you are most likely going to be bad and have to learn via experience. With this information at hand, then perfectionism is just preventing you from making progress. Without starting, you can't have this experience and then can't have the learning curve in the endeavor. Did you know, statistically, people who have perfectionistic tendencies are 75% more likely to procrastinate on certain tasks and topics. With this included, burnouts are 51% more likely with perfectionists and people with perfection tendencies, and they're 48% more likely to be missing deadlines consistently. On top of all of this, they have lower creativity and productivity due to overanalyzing and the fear of failure. In the majority of cases, just starting will combat perfectionism and procrastination. Once you start and have the flow and the rhythm and the momentum in the endeavor you're trying to pursue, perfectionism won't be a problem you face anymore. You have to be clear on whether you're being a perfectionist and trying to overanalyze whether you're doing things correctly before you start, or whether you're just using perfectionism as an excuse for glorified procrastination. If it's the latter, reevaluate and just begin. Don't allow perfectionism to snuff out the life of your projects, just start. Perfectionism may be killing your success. If you're looking to evaluate whether perfectionism is holding you back or if it's another issue in your productivity journey, I'm currently running one-to-one coaching calls, so please look at the top link in the description if you're looking to get advice from me, as I've been in the position you are and I know the way out.